Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Korean spicy braised chicken dish called Dakkbokkeumtang. Traditionally, Koreans use the whole chicken, but I'm using only drumsticks today for extra tenderness and deep flavor. After washing them well, sprinkle a little salt and pepper. In a pan, lightly sear both sides in a bit of vegetable oil or sesame oil over medium-high heat until lightly browned. This step removes any strong smell and helps keep the chicken moist while cooking. Transfer the seared chicken to a large pot. Now let's make the sauce. You will need gochujang, Korean red chili paste, soy sauce, mirin, gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes, sugar, minced garlic, ground black pepper, and sesame oil. This sauce is simple but full of flavor. You can use this sauce for all kinds of spice dishes, from stir-fried meat to seafood. Spread about half the sauce over the chicken and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Just gently coat the top. No need to rub it in. While the chicken marinates, prepare the vegetables. I'm using potato, carrot, onion, Korean green onion, red chili pepper, green chili pepper. Today I chose small baby potatoes, so I'll leave the skins on. Cut the vegetables into pieces big enough to hold their shape after cooking. Try to keep the vegetables roughly the same size so they cook evenly. If you cannot find Korean green onion, regular green onions work well too. If you are worried it might be too spicy, feel free to skip the chili peppers. Now layer the vegetables on top of the chicken. And pour the rest of the sauce on top. Add some water along the side of the pot. Leave a bit of space at the top. It might bubble up while boiling. Cover the pot and boil over medium-high heat for about 15 minutes. While it's bubbling, I gave it a gentle stir to let the sauce reach every bit of meat and veggies. Then lower the heat to medium-low and simmer for about 20 more minutes. The flavors come together slowly and the broth thickens just enough. Add the green onions and sliced peppers. Then let it cook for 5 more minutes. I love serving this right in the pot. It stays warm and feels so comforting at the table. Spicy yet gentle, tender chicken drumsticks soak in a gochujang-based sauce. while soft potatoes, carrots, and onions absorb every bit of flavor. It goes perfectly with a bowl of rice, and also it's great with a drink on a quiet evening. A healthy and comforting dish made with tender chicken, fresh vegetables, and spicy Korean flavors. Whether you are cooking for family or sharing it with friends, this is a simple meal that brings people together. I hope you give it a try at home. Thanks for watching. 안녕.